So I'm here to talk to you today about upgrading your bulbs to the Feit Electric smart bulbs. I got some of these at Costco. I got some of them at Amazon. But if you have these bulbs, then you need to replace them. These are garbage and junk. Don't buy these. They don't even last. But I will go through some of the features. But like it says, it has remote access, voice control, they're dimmable. You can even put schedules, and I'll show you how to do some of these things. It's very simple, and it even decreased my power bill from these things. The thing you can do is you can actually name all of your lights. So I got like bedroom right, bedroom left, living room, red lamp, downstairs, hallway, kitchen. So you can create your whole light system, and it's pretty easy. You can also create groups. So all the lights downstairs can be shut off or turned on. And then you also have the whole house or all the lights in the kitchen. This is great if you have kids and they're always leaving lights on. Especially if they leave them on in the bathroom or in their room and they're upstairs, you can easily turn it off. The other thing that you can do is you can manage each light. So you can pick the color. You can go to red, blue, whatever color you want. The other thing you can do is you can turn down the brightness and dim it. Go ahead and turn it on. And we'll change the color. You can even change this to daylight, or you can dim it automatically to a soft white. And you can put it down to dim while you're watching movies if you want. But one of the nicest things that you can do is you can add a schedule for each individual light, and it's so easy. So if you know that you're going to be out and about till 7 p.m., you can set a schedule every night that your light comes on at 7 p.m. Or you can set a schedule for all your lights to go off in your house at 10 p.m. if that's when you go to rest. So that way you don't have to worry about burning all these lights. And they last for a very long time. I've had mine for about a year now and haven't had any issues. Next demonstration I just want to show you, you can actually turn the brightness up for the whole house. This is how bright you can set it. And you can dim it to whatever level you want. You can turn it completely down. You can make it all soft white. You can make it daylight. Or you can even make it all a recent color. So it actually remembers what the color is. And I'll show you all of this. Full house to soft white. Or you can choose the recent color. So as you can see, red and blue. And like I said, you can pick any color and choose whatever you want. You can even choose effect. You can choose a strobe. Pretty cool, huh? The biggest question that I had was, can you use the lights if the internet goes out? Yes, you can use the lights if the internet goes out as long as you have power. So you can turn your power on and off. You can actually even turn the light switches off that have the lights on and flip them back on if you want the lights to come on. They easily connect and they're good to go. So yes, there's so many benefits to this. This is not a paid advertisement or anything, but I'm telling you, if you're sitting on the fence and you actually just want some good, reliable light bulbs, do this. And even think of this. If you have kids, why not? Your kids are always leaving the lights on, right? So there you go. It'll pay for itself in more ways than one. Yes, you have to manage the app and shut the lights off or whatever, but the other thing is that if you have little kids, you can change the colors for different parties and different events. So I would just highly recommend it. Get it, and let me know if you already have these. I got these at Costco and Amazon. They're fairly inexpensive when they're on sale. So you tell me what you have in your house and what you use, and tell me if you've bought these or thinking about buying them. Now, these are the most prevalent. There's all sorts of brands that you can buy, and they're not interchangeable with the same app. This app is pretty streamlined and pretty good to go. So I would recommend it. And they have bulbs for pretty much everything. So you can get them for ceiling fans. You can even get them for outdoor floodlights. You can get pretty much any bulb that you want and have it all on your network and connected. So there you have it, folks. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, and tell me if you've changed your mind and I've helped you pick out some light bulbs. And like I said, if you got those spiral light bulbs, just toss them in the trash. They're junk. They last maybe a couple of months and then they burn out. I was spending so much money on those. It was a joke. Thanks, and I'd love to see your comments. Tell me what you think about this.